everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to make money on YouTube without AdSense. Now if you want to know how to make money on YouTube with AdSense, check out our previous video on how to make money on YouTube with AdSense. Now let's go to this topic. How do you make money on YouTube without AdSense? There are various ways. The first way is through sponsorship and brand deals. Second way is through affiliate marketing. The third way is by selling merchandise. The fourth way is by offering online courses or coaching. The fifth way is by crowdfunding. The sixth way is by live streaming and donations. The seventh way is by creating and selling digital products. And those are the 7 ways we're going to look at today. Let's start with the first way, which is by sponsorship and brand deals. You can partner with brands, collaborate with brands that align with your content to promote their products or services. You can also negotiate deals by clearly defining the terms of the sponsorship, including payment, deliverables, and creative control. The next thing you can do is through affiliate marketing. It's another way of making money on YouTube without AdSense. Affiliate marketing. Here you promote products. So integrate affiliate links into your videos and descriptions for products you genuinely recommend. You can also choose relevant products. You can select products that resonate with your audience and align with your channel's niche. The third way you can make money is by selling merchandise. You can create branded merchandise, design and sell t-shirts, hats, mugs, or other items featuring your channel's logo or artwork. You can also utilize platforms like Teespring or Printful to streamline the design and fulfillment process. The first way you can make money on YouTube without AdSense is to offer online courses or coaching. You can share your expertise by creating and selling online courses or offer coaching services related to your channel's niche. Platforms like Skillshare or Teachable also can provide the infrastructure for creating and selling online courses. We have what is called crowdfunding. Here you can use platforms like Patreon or Ko-fi to receive direct financial support from your viewers. You can also offer exclusive perks. You can provide exclusive context, early access to videos, or personalized shout-outs to incentivize donations. Number 6. Live streaming and donations. You can host live streams. By engaging with your audience through live streams on platforms like YouTube Gaming or Twitch. You can also accept donations. Encourage viewers to donate during live streams using platforms like Streamlabs or PayPal. Number 7, which is the last way we're going to look at, is to create and sell digital products like ebooks, templates, or presets. You can create and sell digital products like ebooks, templates, or presets related to your channel's niche. You can also offer value. Ensure your digital products provide value to your audience and address their specific needs. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. So focus on creating high-quality content, engaging with your audience, and exploring multiple revenue streams to maximize your earning potential. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more.